In this video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall a network adapter if you're having issues with your network device and you want to actually uninstall your Wi-Fi network adapter or your local area network adapter. So the best way to actually do this is the following. First of all, you want to actually go to your search menu and then search for device manager. Here you can see we have device manager, then click on it. Let me just expand this, and then we want to go to network adapters. So you can see we have all the different network adapters. For example, you are seeing here Fortinet is because I installed the FortiClient VPN on this device. But right now I'm actually interested on a network adapter on this device. So because I'm using a virtual machine, that's why you're not seeing the Wi-Fi network connection. But the same process can also be applied to your Wi-Fi connection. Just right click, and here you can see we can actually disable this device, but I want to actually uninstall from this device, and then we can say so you're about to uninstall and then click on install. Mind you, I'm actually doing this because I'm able to actually uninstall this because I'm an administrator on this device. If you're not an administrator, you'll be requested to enter your admin credentials. So let me just do uninstall. And right now you can see the network adapter has just been installed on this device, and now we don't have access to internet. So what you can also actually do is the following. We can decide to go to scan for hardware changes to see if the changes will now reconfigured, and then reinstall the network adapter again on your device. Here we go, you can see the network adapter has just been reinstalled, and probably the problem will be fixed. But you can actually restart your device if you think the problem is not fixed. Restart your device, and then your network adapter will be reconfigured. Thank you very much for your time. Please, if this video has helped you, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related videos. And every comment in the comment section, I'll reply as quick as possible. Bye.